Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts an engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 11,400 pounds, 5171 kilograms, with single rear wheels, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel B20 diesel compatible, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Pickup box, delete and the tire, spare LT265/70 or 18E all season, black wall. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.